The upcoming OnePlus 15T is already generating excitement among smartphone fans who love compact flagship devices. Known for combining speed, clean software, and premium design, OnePlus is expected to push things even further with this new model. Early information suggests the OnePlus 15T will deliver powerful performance, a beautiful high refresh rate display, advanced cameras, and a large battery packed into a sleek and comfortable body. Let's take a closer look at what this new smartphone could offer and why it might become one of the most interesting phones of the year. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing the OnePlus 15T. Let's have a look. The OnePlus 15T is expected to arrive as a powerful compact flagship designed for users who want top-level performance without carrying a very large phone. The device is rumored to feature a modern and stylish design with a slim frame and a premium finish. Its compact body should make it comfortable to hold while still delivering a high-end smartphone experience. On the front, the phone is expected to feature a high-quality OLED display measuring around 6.3 inches. Despite its smaller size, the display could support a high refresh rate, which will make scrolling, gaming, and watching videos feel extremely smooth. The screen is also expected to deliver vibrant colors, deep contrast, and excellent brightness, making it ideal for entertainment and daily use. Performance is likely to be one of the biggest strengths of the OnePlus 15T. The phone is rumored to include a powerful flagship processor capable of handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking without slowing down. With generous RAM and storage options, users should have plenty of power and space for apps, media, and files. The camera system is also expected to receive meaningful upgrades. The rear camera setup could include a high-resolution main sensor designed to capture sharp and detailed photos in both daylight and low-light conditions. A telephoto lens may also be included, allowing users to zoom in on distant subjects without losing image quality. These camera improvements aim to provide a balanced photography experience for casual users and mobile photography enthusiasts. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 15T could impress. The device is rumored to include a large battery designed to last throughout a full day of heavy use. Whether you are gaming, streaming videos, or browsing social media, the phone should provide reliable endurance. Fast charging technology will likely allow the battery to recharge quickly, helping users spend less time plugged into a charger. In addition to hardware improvements, the smartphone will likely run the latest version of Android with Oxygen OS, which is known for its clean interface and smooth performance. Overall, the OnePlus 15T is shaping up to be a powerful and well-balanced smartphone. With its compact design, smooth display, strong performance, capable camera system, and long battery life, it could become a popular choice for users looking for a premium phone that is easy to carry, but still delivers flagship-level features. So guys, this is fresh information about new upcoming OnePlus 15T. I hope you liked this video. Tell us in the comment section. Hit the like button, click the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.